Greetings, explorers of the cosmos. Welcome to Mysteries of the Cosmos, your trusted channel for unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Today, we will embark on an unprecedented stellar odyssey, a journey through the vastness of space to discover 16 exoplanets that defy reality itself, testing the limits of our imagination and knowledge. Prepare to be amazed, because what you are about to see will leave you breathless. Fasten your seatbelts, adjust your telescopes, and prepare for the unexpected. Ready to challenge the limits of the known? Let's get started. Item number 16, TOI 700d. We begin our journey with TOI 700d, a planet that, while not the strangest on the list, reminds us how common potentially habitable worlds can be. Located in its star's habitable zone, this rocky exoplanet is large enough and has a temperature that could allow liquid water to exist on its surface. Although we still don't know if it hosts life, TOI 700d invites us to dream of the possibility of other worlds like ours, orbiting distant stars. Its relative normality compared to the following positions makes it a perfect starting point for our exploration of the unusual. Furthermore, studying them helps us better understand the conditions necessary for life outside of Earth. At number 15, Kepler 452b. We move forward on our list with Kepler 452b, often nicknamed Earth's cousin. This exoplanet, which orbits a star similar to the Sun, is also located in the habitable zone, which has generated great interest in the scientific community. Although its size is slightly larger than that of our planet, the similarities between Kepler 452b and Earth are undeniable, making it a promising candidate for the search for life beyond our solar system. Could this world support life? The answer is still unknown, but its habitable potential makes it a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. At number 14, HD 106906b. We continue our tour with HD 106906b, a gas giant that is unusually far from its star. This great distance raises questions about their formation and evolution, challenging conventional models of planetary formation. Its eccentric orbit and atmospheric composition make it an intriguing object of study for astronomers, who seek to understand how a planet of this size could have formed so far from its star. Furthermore, the presence of a debris disk around it suggests that it may be interacting with other celestial bodies, adding even more mystery to this peculiar exoplanet. At number 13, GJ 436b. In 13th place we find GJ 436b, an exoplanet with a surprising characteristic: hot ice. Despite the high temperatures reached in this world, intense gravitational pressure keeps water in a solid state, defying our physical laws. This unusual phenomenon challenges our understanding of physics and chemistry under extreme conditions, forcing us to rethink how materials behave under unimaginable pressures. GJ 436b is an example of how nature can surprise us with unexpected combinations and strange behaviors, showing us that the universe is much more complex than we think. At number 12, LHS 1140b. Now, we travel to LHS 1140b, a rocky super-Earth that has captured the attention of scientists because of its unusually high density. This exoplanet is much more massive than Earth, suggesting it may have a very large iron core, compressed to extreme levels. Its proximity to its star also makes it an interesting target for studying its atmosphere and determining whether it could support life, although extreme conditions make this possibility unlikely. LHS 1140b is an example of how planetary diversity can exceed our expectations, showing us that exoplanets can have very different compositions and structures than planets in our solar system. At number 11, WASP 107b. In 11th place, we find WASP 107b, a gas planet with a density so low that it resembles that of cotton candy. This exoplanet is one of the fluffiest known, raising questions about its formation and composition, challenging theories about how gas planets form. Its atmosphere is also extremely hot and turbulent, making it an unwelcoming and difficult place to study. WASP 107b is an example of how nature can create worlds with surprising physical properties, showing us that the universe is a cosmic laboratory where the laws of physics are constantly being tested. At number 10, Trace 2b. We enter the top 10 with Trace 2b, an exoplanet that holds the title of the darkest planet known to date. This world absorbs almost all the light it receives from its star, making it a dark and mysterious place, a cosmic abyss where light seems to vanish. Its atmosphere is composed of light-absorbing gases, such as titanium oxide, which contributes to its extreme darkness and makes it a unique object in the universe. Trace 2b is an example of how nature can create worlds with unusual and disconcerting visual characteristics, challenging our perception of what planets should look like. Its study helps us better understand the atmospheric processes that can occur under extreme conditions. At number 9, GJ504b. We come to the last exoplanet of this first video, GJ504b, a pink gas giant that seems to come from a dream. This exoplanet is one of the few that has been directly photographed, allowing us to appreciate its beauty and uniqueness, a privilege that brings us closer to distant worlds. Its pink color is due to the presence of dust clouds in its atmosphere, composed of silicates and other compounds that reflect the light of its star in a very particular way. GJ504b is an example of how nature can create worlds with surprising colors and exotic atmospheres, showing us that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Their study helps us better understand the composition and dynamics of planetary atmospheres. And so concludes the first part of our journey through exoplanets that defy reality. I hope you enjoyed this journey through strange and fascinating worlds, and that you felt the thrill of discovery and curiosity about the unknown. But the adventure doesn't end here, far from it. In the next video, we'll explore the 8 most inexplicable and surprising exoplanets in the universe, those that truly make us question everything we thought we knew. Don't miss it! Subscribe to Mysteries of the Cosmos so you don't miss any of our cosmic explorations. Activate the bell to receive notifications and be the first to discover the mysteries the universe has in store for us. Get ready for what's coming, because the next exoplanets will blow your mind. See you next time, explorers! And remember, the universe always has something new to teach us.